It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 24th of January. I'm Michael Groff. A big warming trend coming to the southwest later this weekend and next week. Temperatures go way above average, all the way up toward record territory. Just how long does that last, and do we have any hope at seeing some rain anytime soon? Well, let's talk about it as we get out there this morning. Taking a look at the almanac from yesterday, 70 degrees, the high in the valley, after a morning low of 40. And outside right now, here at 5:50 a.m., we've got mostly clear skies to start this day. 54 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point's way down at 14. It's bone dry out there. Relative humidity 20%. Wind from the east at 10 miles per hour. And the barometer is steady. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, thanks to some overnight breezes, are just all over the place. 35 at Maricopa. It's 37 at Fort McDowell. But it's 53 at Buckeye. Meanwhile, over toward Litchfield Park, the official reading there is 41, but you see just to the west of there's a 53, and that's probably a couple of miles difference in those numbers. So you can see temperatures are just everywhere this morning. Here's the 500 millibar chart across the nation. High pressure building in across the southwest. We've got troughing up in the northeast where they're still seeing some winter weather and very cold conditions. The watch warning map, speaking of winter weather, there's plenty of that in the Pacific Northwest. High wind warnings, winter weather advisory, some avalanche warnings up in the Cascades. Dense fog, the problem in the Dakotas. Elsewhere around the nation, other than the Northeast, where there's still some snowflakes flying around this morning, conditions are pretty quiet. On the convective outlook, some thunder possible up along the Pacific Northwest coast, but no organized severe weather expected across the nation. And rainfall for the next 7 days around our neck of the woods. Nothing for us here in the valley, likely nothing statewide, and we'll talk about why that is right now as we dissect the details of our weather. Taking a peek at the models, here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon, the upper look at 500 millibars. There's that cold upper trough moving into the Pacific Northwest. And down below that at the surface, we're under a dry westerly flow today. And we'll be warmer than we've been in recent days. Highs getting into the low and middle 70s this afternoon. The sky mostly sunny. Maybe just a few high clouds from time to time. Tonight, clear skies. Lows mostly in the 40s to low 50s. Still some variation if there's some gusty winds overnight. And then tomorrow, we'll again have mostly sunny skies with highs climbing once again into the mid 70s. All right, now on Friday, that trough passes to the north of Arizona, moving through the Rockies, and this system does not look to have nearly the impact that we initially thought here in the southwest. Temperatures will go down just a little bit. We should be in the mid and upper 60s on Friday, but the sky remains mostly sunny. No chances of any rain or snow across the state. Saturday, we start the day out in the upper 30s in the cool spots, mid 40s in the mid city, and then highs climb back into the low 70s. But check it out. Sunday, we go to the upper 70s with mostly sunny skies as high pressure builds in earnest across the southwest. Monday, we could be in the low 80s. The record high on Monday is 83 degrees, set in 1935. And I think we're going to be just shy of that. Check out these numbers coming off the European for Monday. It's got a high of 82 here in Phoenix, and you see low 80s across the board here in south central and southwest Arizona. Tuesday, more of the same. Highs likely again, low 80s. The record high on Tuesday is 82 degrees, and we'll be pretty close to that if this verifies. And then we'll go to a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 31st of January, the last day of the month. Troughing moving across the northern Rockies and into the northern plains. But that's going to have a negligible impact on our weather. I think temperatures go down just a bit, but no chances of rain or whatnot. So high temperatures will cool back to the mid and upper 70s. Here's Thursday. This is the 1st of February. Dry and warm conditions continue here in the southwest. Our high temperatures likely still in the mid-70s, a big cold upper trough in the central and eastern parts of the country. And we see that continuing as we go to the end of the 10-day forecast period, Friday, the 2nd of February. Warm and dry here in the southwest. Again, high temperatures still above average, mid, possibly even upper 70s. All right, let's check the temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble through the period. And looks like after a slight downturn in temps Friday, we will begin a warming trend again Saturday. And look at those highs by Sunday, and especially Monday, Tuesday. We could be up in the low 80s. So getting near record territory once more, and no chance of precipitation anytime soon. All right, that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is going to come back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there. Have a great Wednesday, everybody.